On this video, I'll show how to tighten up a loose insert on the Zippo Lighter. Okay, you'll need a screwdriver and a coin, a penny, nickel, dime, anything that'll fit inside the insert. As you see here, I took out the flint spring, the flint, and the cotton pad at the, or felt pad at the bottom. Now you'll take a coin and put it inside the insert like so, and then twist a little bit, and then we'll go back and see how it fits now. It's a little better, so we'll do it one more time. There you go. Nice and tight now, the way it should be. Now you just put everything back together. Now that it's all back together, the insert's tight, and you got a working Zippo again. Thanks for watching.